Hello everyone, it's me John Lee, that's JOHNLIE, and together with me is Christian Ting. And today we are joined with a very special guest, a psychology student from Xavier University, Miss Fam. Hi
Hi, John.
Fam.
Hi, Christian.
So before we go start sa formal discussion or formal interview, allow me to heads up lang siguro our food provider, which is si El Marie's Food Services. So we are very happy that they have sent us food to eat in this interview.
Yes, thank you so much, Elmarie Food and Services, for
Yeah.
this very delicious and amazing delicacies here today. And yeah, back to our guest, no? Fam, can you tell us more about yourself, your academic background, or your personal life?
Okay, so first of all, I want to thank you for having me today. So it's such an honor kay dugay lagi ko gusto like kada bitaw mag-podcast or
Yes.
mag-guesting og mga interview.
Mm-mm.
So about me, about myself, okay, again, so my full name is Faustine Mary L. Llenos, but you can call me Fam for
Mm-mm.
short. And as you said earlier, I'm from Xavier University. I'm a fourth year BS psychology student. And what else should I say about myself? I think my MBTI is INFJ. I'm a
Mhm.
Virgo. I love dogs and cats. And I think that's it.
Yeah, interesting from Xavier University. Shala da, shala.
So proceed to the second question, no? So sa struggle na po tayong challenges na part, we would like to ask lang, what is the biggest challenge you face and how does that shape you as a person?
Mm-mm.
Siguro for this year, fortunately no wala koy kanang bitang grabe gid kay kadako nga problem. Siguro if struggle or challenges in terms of academics kay thesis jud as in like kana jud akong maingon nga struggle pero we just had our thesis defense so thesis defended na mi. So thank you Lord kay humanag yun. So kana siya for me ang dako kay nga challenge ako naagian gud sa karon nga year.
Current nga year.
At least no, we all can agree man siguro nga thesis kay grabe yung kinang problema sa student. Yeah, no?
Yeah, and speaking of thesis, pohon-pohon, kami na pod. So,
Yes, good luck guys.
Yeah.
Words and positive na advice.
yeah. Speaking of, challenges and overcoming, curious lang mi Pam, how do you handle these challenges and how do you overcome these challenges ba?
So sa mga simple challenges siguro, I think it's really important like sa ato tanan to have a social support.
Yeah.
So dili pud kailangan need nga kanang nakay uyab or
Mm-mm.
nakay kuan siguro nakay friend, nakay matawagan or nakay siblings
Mm-mm.
or if ikaw close sa yung parents, you can talk to your parents. Kay important jud ang social support like in any situation,
Yeah.
kailangan nimo na kay mapakungawan ba sa
Mm-mm.
imong feelings kay for example kung stress kay ka. And siguro how do I overcome sa stress or kanang mga challenges kay feel what you feel. Like you feel your emotions like kana nga time kung sad ka ihilak nimo.
Yeah.
If like happy ka ipagawas nimo ana i-express kini yung emotions nimo like i-bottle up inside kay mo explode gyud ka ana kay personally ako kay like maghilak yun ko kung like suko ko, if sad ko, if happy ko, like kanang good mood ko, like pakita no sa other people. Also, if academics related kay time management yun, I think kanang at least kanang magplan ka or if dili gyud ka ingon nga plan kanang hatagan nimo og time, i-prioritize nimo sa mga important things
Yeah.
na unahon.
Yeah, yeah.
Kay siguro kita tanan students no kay murag makarelate ana nga kanang dapat gyud kabalo ta mo manage sa time kay kung dili ma-behind ka sa task, mag-procrastinate. So muna mga common di ba na
Yes,
atong
yes.
agyan na challenges as a student.
Yeah, I love the line feel what you feel. Parang it resonated with me also. And coming from a psychology student, parang mas nahatagan noon siya og definition. No? I love that. I love feel what you feel. I love
Pero
that.
ay okay, feel it.
Ay, sorry, dili di kayo feel. Ay, sorry.
So siguro no, I upon hearing her answer good, I can say nga she has the privilege good when it comes to social support.
Yeah.
But I really put that there were also point in our lives na we feel sad
Mm-mm.
and those are the times that are valid man jud. We would like to ask lang on your part, where are there any moments you feel like giving up with all of these happening around you?
Mm-mm.
Yes, naa jud. Pero kaning gid ako maingon, like if naay time na ka na maka-feel bitaw ka nga down kay ka and kanang mo give up na ka, mo pass ra gyud na siya nga time. Like time will pass ra gyud. Like siguro kung karon maka-feel ka ana, i-feel lang gyud nimo, okay, down kay ko yung ana, bisag unsa yung buhaton nimo, ayaw lang gyud give up. And then pag ma-overcome nimo na, makayon ka nga kuan relate to siya. Moment of weakness reto siya. Pero okay ra man pud nga nay times na kanang pakita nimo nga weak ka kay dili man pasabot nga kanang kanang bitong vulnerable ka kay weak na gyud ka sa person, dili na siya maka-define sa imuha. But instead noon kay mas maka-define na siya sa imo kung unsa ka ka-strong kay
Yeah.
di ba imo na siyang naagian. So ako siguro kanang ang katong time na kanang down kay ko siguro katong last year sa ko remember katong namatay amo ang dog. So first na ko to siya nga puppy and then murag down kay ko ato and then mo ito nga pinaka sad kay ko, gabi kay ko akong anxiety, akong stress, like ako'y tulog, ako'y kaon. So na-overcome naman ako and then karon kay kanang gahil na pud.
Yeah.
Again, no, as you can see with her answer, you can really tell that there's no little thing. It's sometimes ang good we feel like little things are overwhelming bitaw kayo siya.
Yeah.
Wala, gamay na kayo nga butang like, the way I react on that situation kay over na kayo. But it just show nga despite bitaw sa mga ginagmay nga butang, those are the things that really matter man jud. So you don't feel invalidate or you don't feel less of a person
Yeah.
if you are that kind of person.
Yeah,
So
like-
that is a message siguro ato.
Yeah, correct. And I think everything should be validated. It should be validated no by everyone. Kasi even if it's it's the smallest thing ngay mo ang gina-encounter, it's still valid because it, murag contributory gyapon siya to shape you as a person,
Correct.
'di ba? So, speaking of overcoming and all that, mag-ask na mi Pam, what gives you comfort ba as a person?
What gives me comfort siguro food. Dili lang siguro halata sa ako kay like kuan kay ko, gamay kay ko pero food gyud kanang mukaon gyud ko if sad ko ing ana.
Yeah.
Tapos makikampod ka sa kanang kuan like kung na kay friends yan na makisabay kag kaon sa ako sa akong boyfriend kay sige ra may kaon yan na. O also siguro kanang mga simple things bitaw nga feel na to ato ginatake for granted pero kana siya makatag na to comfort like food,
Yeah.
sleep. Yan na mag-hydrate kasi mo self. Ako siguro kanang maligo ka like maligo ko dugay kaayo. Kana bitong kuan murag self-care bitaw nimo or siguro pod kanang mag-makeup ko maka-comfort kana bitaw maka-calm siya like simple things kay di man dapat na kanang mga difficult yun na mga things bitaw para lang mapa-comfort ka kay para ma-comfort ka like mag-watch lang kag mga TV shows na ganahan nimo ako
Yeah.
ganan gud ko mag-watch og mga comfort shows na ako kana or mag-listen ka music mga simple ra gud nga things na makapakalma nimo ba like ikaw naman kabalo mismo ana sa imong self ko unsa nang mga things nga ganahan nimo.
Yeah, Chan.
So siguro like kanang I can also tell na food is comforting yun.
No.
Kaya ano yung lamig kayo ni
Correct. Again, thank you, Almarie Food and Services for the very delicious delicacies.
Galing ako kaon.
Correct. Oh, ikaw rin kaon no, baga kag nahong.
So siguro,
Anyways, on to the next
your
question.
next question na lang. Maybe we are focused man siguro ay kanang we are so kanang overwhelmed with the way how she answers. Of course, psychology na.
Psychology student
Ever
yun.
ka din.
Correct.
Kasi sige, like, let's ask lang with her kanang among all of this bitaw, all of the struggles, all of the happy, like those were the joyous moment. What are the things that pushes you good? Like unsa ang the drive sa imo to do something, to be happy or yeah, like what drives you?
So, what drives me? Ako lang siguro ikuan kay personal lang nako ni siya is really do what you love. Ako manggod for me kay ang psychology is really my kanang first choice kina ko nga course and then it is really something that I am passionate about. So, kanang maka-feel ka og kalisod, dili ka dali mo give up kay at least diba you're doing what you love kay for example if dili na ko ni ganahan and then I keep pushing myself
Yeah.
na kanang buhaton ni ma-burnout gid ka.
Yeah.
So, i-remind mo himself or imo i-discover sa imong unsay mga things nga ganahan nimo kay mo gina mag-drive sa imo. I love nimo imong family, kana mag-drive sa imuha. So murag corny kay siya paminaw or murag kuan kay siya if pero for me ang mag-drive gud sa tao sa happiness or siguro sa ako alang kay love yun.
Yeah.
Yeah, love nimo sa imong paan, sa imong like passion, dili lang siya love sa person, pero
Person.
love sa imong studies, sa imong passion na gusto nimo maabot, or love sa sagod sa yun nga kind of love. Mo gyud mag-drive sa imong gyud.
Yeah. I love this conversation, because of course it's also a big opportunity for us to be speaking with a psychology student and coming from their perspective, of course everything kay fresh, and then murag we are introduced to a new perspective also of the new aspect of life, diba? Kay murag as communication student kay we're focused on how to be an effective communicator and all that, but we forgot sometimes manggod kanang murag ani nga mga aspects, and having to converse with you, Miss Pham, is a really big privilege for us. And before we end this episode, and of course again having the opportunity to be speaking with you, do you have any message to our audience or to our viewers, or like advices about life struggles and overcoming?
Yes, because since also hapit na New Year and the year is ending, I think we should all reflect of the things that we achieved this year, and even if like kana feeling nimo wala kayo kay na-achieve, learn to celebrate small wins. Okay, so remember all the hardships that you've been through, and then you reflect on that, and then be happy because be happy because of your growth. So dili man ta mag-end ani nga year nga kana wala kay na-achieve sa gamay. So you remember all the small little things na
Yeah.
imuhang na-achieve this year.
Yeah. So to summarize that all, everyone, you have to reflect, grow, and live happily. That's it, diba,
And
Christian?
also, in order for you to live a happy life and reflect, you need to have a good food.
Yeah. And in order for you to have a good food, contact El Marie Food and Services. So I believe that's it for today. Again, this is John Lee Balye.
I'm Christian Ting.
And together with us is...
Family nos.
And bye!